Updating your personal information on Degiro is essential to ensure that your account remains accurate and secure. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Degiro website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Settings section in the menu. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Profile. Click on this to view your current details. Step 4. Edit your information. Find the specific information you wish to update, such as your address, phone number, or email. Click the Edit button next to the relevant section and make your changes. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your information, ensure you click the Save or Update button to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message once the update is successful. Make sure to periodically check your personal information to keep your account secure and up to date.